Rate cut whispers just slammed two-year yields and shot Bitcoin to 112K, while 7 giants rushed spot XRP ETF filings. Will the next candle blast off or crash? Welcome to your daily 5-minute crypto brief with Satoshi and Nova. Today is August 29th, 2025. I am Nova.
I am Satoshi.
Bitcoin's hovering around $111,500, Ethereum near $4,476. Both down a little, maybe 1-2%.
Right, but I wouldn't call it a panic sell-off. It seems more like consolidation.
Healthy consolidation.
Exactly. After some solid gains, people are likely just taking a breather, maybe locking in some profits. Liquidity still looks steady.
Okay. And while the big two are cooling, Solana's still pushing.
SOL is up about 2.1%, around $216. Still showing that bullish strength.
But XRP took a bit of a dip.
Yeah, XRP slid, 3.2% down to about $2.91. Probably some profit taking after its own recent run-up. Stablecoins are fine, holding pegs.
Good sign for stability there. Okay, let's shift gears to the macro picture. Big news from the Fed yesterday.
Oh yeah, Governor Waller. That was unexpected.
Definitely. Sounded quite dovish, didn't he? Talking about a potential quarter-point rate cut in September.
Citing easing inflation, weaker labor market. The market reacted instantly. Classic risk-on response. Futures immediately priced in a higher chance of that September cut. Treasury yields dropped.
And crypto got a bump.
A brief one, yeah.
Yeah.
Bitcoin copped back over $112,000 for a moment there. It suggests the broader environment might be getting a bit more supportive for assets like crypto.
Interesting. And it's not just the Fed, right? Institutional interest is still, intense.
Absolutely. Look at CME Ether futures. Hit a record $10 billion in open interest.
$10 billion. Wow.
And get this, an all-time high of 101 large open interest holders. These are the big players, the institutions. They're building serious positions in ETH. That's unprecedented.
It really shows commitment. And the Bitcoin ETFs. Still seeing money come in.
Yep. Net inflows of about $81 million just on August 27th. BlackRock's iShares leading the pack, as usual.
So that provides underlying support?
For sure. It helped Bitcoin climb, around 15% last month. It just underlines that conviction from major financial players.
Okay. Beyond the numbers, let's hit our top 3 stories, because these are really shaping the narrative.
Let's do it.
First, the Ripple saga is finally over. The SEC case officially wrapped up August 22nd.
Appeals dismissed. The ruling stands. XRP sales on public exchanges are not securities. Huge.
And the market reaction, almost immediate, right?
Within hours. 7 major firms, BlackRock, Franklin Templeton included, filed for spot XRP ETFs. New or amended filings, bang.
That legal clarity just opened the floodgates?
It's massive. It doesn't just help XRP, potentially creates a pathway for other altcoins dealing with the SEC. Big implications for broader institutional adoption.
Okay, number 2. This one came out of left field for me. Trump Media partnering with Crypto.com.
Yeah, forming Trump Media Group CRO Strategy, Inc. Focus on Kronos, the CRO token.
And the scale of this.
It's enormous. A commitment north of $6 billion, with Trump Media buying something like 6.3 billion CRO tokens.
Wow, that's about 2% of the total supply.
As a long-term treasury holding. One of the biggest corporate token buys ever. CRO's price jumped 25-30% on the news.
It really blurs the lines between crypto, corporate strategy, branding, even politics.
But definitely a sign of crypto embedding itself in, everything.
Okay, third big story. Verb Technology making a massive treasury move.
Another one. They shifted over $780 million of their treasury, mostly into Toncoin, TON.
So what's the significance there?
Verb is now the first U.S. publicly traded company to pick a single altcoin as its main reserve asset.
Holding about 8% of TON's circulating supply.
Right. It's a huge bet on the TON ecosystem, especially its integration with Telegram and its, 800 million plus users.
Turning a social platform into a Web3 powerhouse, essentially.
That seems to be the play, a major precedent for corporate crypto strategy.
So looking ahead, what are investors watching now?
All eyes are on the macro data, for sure. The August jobs report coming up, then the Fed's meeting mid-September. Those could definitely stir things up.
Cause some volatility.
Could do. And, of course, regulation. We're waiting on SEC decisions for those XRP, EPS, and others. That remains a key variable.
And a quick word of caution, Bitcoin is near its highs.
Exactly. Don't be shocked if we see a pullback, maybe 5-10%, just from profit taking. It would actually be pretty healthy. Standard risk management applies.
Right. So, wrapping this up for you, our listener, we're in this interesting spot between consolidation and real optimism. Crypto is weaving itself deeper into finance, corporate plans, even politics.
Yeah, and maybe the question to leave you with is this. How will these really bold corporate moves, like with CRO and TON, and this clearer regulatory picture, speed up mainstream crypto adoption? And what kind of new opportunities pop up when digital assets start forming the core of company treasuries or powering social networks?
Something to think about. Stay informed, stay watchful, and happy investing.
You've seen the crypto headlines. Now get the signals that impact your holdings. Money.ai scans 1.3 million signals a day, from token prices to Twitter sentiment, and gives you one personalized briefing. No hype, no noise, just your crypto edge. Download Money.ai. Stay ahead.